You did everything right: school, grades, resume, and now starting your career feels harder than ever. Entry-level jobs are disappearing, especially since 2022. Data from the US, UK, Canada, and Australia shows a sharp drop in jobs for those just starting out, down 8 to 11 percentage points since before the pandemic. The hardest hit: technology, finance, and professional services, the classic launchpads for ambitious graduates. It's like the first rung of the career ladder is missing, leaving a generation stranded at the bottom. This isn't a temporary blip, it's a structural shift. Researchers like Dr. Jonathan Westover have found companies are increasingly hiring experienced workers for roles that used to go to newcomers. The paradox: you need experience to get hired, but you can't get experience without being hired. Behind the numbers are real struggles: hundreds of ignored applications, student debt, and the anxiety of feeling left behind. For companies, skipping junior hires means missing out on fresh ideas and future leaders. The talent pipeline is being squeezed at its source. If this continues, organizations risk stagnation and a lack of future-ready talent. The consequences aren't just personal, they're systemic. The world of work is changing and it's time to pay attention. The question is, what's driving this shift? Two forces collided around 2022, remote work and generative AI, and they've upended early career hiring. Before, junior employees learned by osmosis, overhearing, observing, and asking questions in person. Remote work made that informal learning vanish, making training harder and more expensive. At the same time, AI tools like ChatGPT started handling the routine tasks that used to be entry-level stepping stones. Now, companies wonder if they need as many junior hires at all. Researchers suggest remote work is a bigger factor, but AI and remote work are deeply intertwined. Companies adopting one often double down on the other. The result: fewer opportunities for those just starting out. The remote work AI paradox is reshaping the entry-level landscape. It's not just remote work or AI, it's both, amplifying each other's effects. Some companies are reinventing how they train juniors remotely, with structured onboarding and mentorship. Automatic and GitLab, for example, use intensive onboarding and detailed documentation to support new hires. Others use AI to augment, not replace, junior staff, like Boston Consulting Group, where AI handles grunt work so juniors can focus on higher-level skills. Hybrid models are emerging. Microsoft schedules collaboration hours, HSBC redesigns offices for mentorship. Even a little in-person time, just one day a month, can boost junior productivity and feedback. The smartest organizations blend tech and human connection to develop new talent. The future belongs to those who adapt, not just automate. Cutting junior hires may save money now, but the long-term costs are huge. Young professionals who miss out on early jobs face scarring effects, lower lifetime earnings and slower career growth. Many end up in jobs with less potential or take on more debt for advanced degrees. For companies, skipping junior talent means losing future leaders and fresh perspectives. Relying only on experienced hires erodes the talent pipeline and stifles innovation. Without new blood, organizations become stagnant and brittle. When today's leaders retire, who will replace them? Investing in junior talent isn't just good ethics, it's smart business. The future isn't hopeless. Smart companies are building new pathways for early career talent. IBM and others are dropping degree requirements, focusing on skills and practical assessments. Google and EY offer paid apprenticeships that blend real work with formal learning. Bloomberg trains juniors to work alongside AI, boosting productivity and accelerating development. Studies show AI helps the least experienced employees the most, leveling the playing field. Transparency and reskilling are key. Shopify and Siemens guide employees through change with clear roadmaps. For young people, adaptability and continuous learning are essential. The challenges are real, but so are the opportunities for those ready to grow.